starting with the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn be. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we have commenced the chapter that is known as neurolinguistics. Neurolinguistics is the study of the relationship between brain and language. Today, I am going to teach you basal ganglia. What is basal ganglia? What are the various functions of basal ganglia? Listeners and audience, basal ganglia is considered the part of the brain and it has various structures in the brain and it is located in the very center of the brain. Basal ganglia has many functions like controlling emotion and movement. However, we are discussing very important function of this part of the brain, and that is habit formation. Generally, we are thinking that how our habits formed. You know, habits formed whenever we are repeating an action again and again. And you know, we repeat the action again and again in our life when it is positive, it is important, and has positive results in our life. So, when the repetition of an action in our life, that is called habit, and this is the formation of habit. But remember, how habit is formed? It is due to basal ganglia. When we repeat an action one time, second time, and third time, or more than that, this is because of basal ganglia that it helps us to make that action automatic. And with the passage of time, the basal ganglia reminds you to repeat at the same time. How is it so? For example, let's start from the car. For example, you are new to the car. It means you have not been driven the car. You want to learn to become a driver in future. So first of all, your focus is on the all parts of the car. For example, turning the wheel, pressing the brake, even on the road. But with the passage of time, when you become automatic, you become a full driver, then your focus is only on the road. Remember, by this way our habit formed. Whenever you are doing an action for the first time, it is difficult to do. But when it is repeated again and again, then it's easy for you. Same is the case of your study. Some of the students, for example, they say, we don't want to study. We are getting bored when we are studying. The reason behind is that they do not have proper schedule and timetable. If they make their proper schedule and timetable, they start their study 2, 3, and 4 times, then their habit is formed. Then they will study regularly. Even they will feel anxiety when they miss their study. Same is the case of the prayer. Whenever you are getting up early in the morning to offer the prayer one time, second time, third time, then your habit is formed. Even for example, if in these days you are getting up at 6 o'clock according to Pakistani routine, definitely by that routine every day you will awake. So This is the important function of the basal ganglia, that basal ganglia reminds you to repeat that action and also make that action automatic. Now the question is, there can be also problem. If a person doing an action every day by someone, for example, he does not do that but with his own intention, but someone instructs him or order him to do again and again, and his habit is not formed, there will be problem in basal ganglia. Someone is doing the action repeatedly by instructions of other, but still the action does not become automatic. It means there is problem in basal ganglia. So hope that now you know about basal ganglia and its function. Thank you.